what's going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. So today we are looking at chord substitutions. We're gonna look at one of my favorite substitutions. Now, you may hear me say, oh, we're gonna look at one of my favorite ideas, whatever that may be in whatever video we're watching. I'm not exaggerating. This is literally my go-to substitution every time I'm thinking about what can I substitute for this particular chord. So what is the substitution? It is substituting a 5 chord for a flat 7, okay? So let's first look at an example of this, and then let's see how we can break it down and then apply it to all of our keys, okay? All right, so here's an example of what it looks like just going to the 5 chord in the section of It Is Well, When Sorrows Like Sea Billows Roll, okay? So we're gonna go from when sorrows like sea billows roll. All right, so basically we're going from A to a D over F sharp, really, to a G, okay? So that G is our 5 chord within the C major scale. C1, D2, E3, F4, G5, okay? So, but now we're gonna substitute the 5 chord for a flat 7. The flat 7 here is gonna be B flat, okay? So C1, D2, E3, F4, G5, A6, B flat is flat 7 because B is the 7, okay? And so let's try it. When sorrows like sea billows roll. All right? Now, the only thing that I would do differently is make sure that my melody is on top of the chord, right? So, when sorrows like sea billows roll. All right? So let's go ahead and let's apply this to another key. Let's move to, let's say, let's do this in F, okay? So, all right, I had to think for a second, okay? So in F, F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, B flat is 4, C is 5, right? But now we're gonna substitute our 5 chord for a flat 7. So F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, B flat is 4, C is 5, D is 6, E is 7, so E flat is our flat 5, right? So we're substituting C for E flat. So we have right? So, all right, let's do this in one more key. Let's go ahead and do this in, let's do this in B, a key everybody hates, right? So, in B major, F sharp is going to be our 5, okay? So B is 1, C sharp is 2, D sharp is 3, E is 4, F sharp is 5, okay? So we're substituting the 5 chord for the flat 7. The flat 7 in B major is going to be A, okay? So F sharp is 5, G sharp is 6, A sharp is 7, so A is flat 7, okay? All right, so you see how to find it, all right? And then you see how to apply this into your other keys, all right? And really, it can work on so many songs. Like, you can even apply this to, let's say, Amazing Grace. So let's do Amazing Grace in F. Okay, so Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. All right, so that me is on a C major. Well, let's go ahead and substitute C for the flat 7. What would be the flat 7 of F? You're gonna get an E flat, okay? So Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved the wretch like me. Okay, so this gives you literally one of my favorite creative options in terms of chord substitutions. All right, so go ahead, begin to practice this in all of your keys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hey, that just tells YouTube these guys are making great content. And if you don't find this content helpful, hit the dislike button. No, don't hit it. Please don't hit it. All right. Also, if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, go ahead and check out our website, play-creatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. Well, until next time, remember this, keep watching, keep learning, we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.